welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and I'm super excited for this video. If you hear any type of cold in my voice, it's because I'm getting over a fever right now, but never mind that. We're gonna go ahead and decorate this tree and the tree upstairs, and this color scheme here obviously is blue, white, and gray, which I love. I think it's perfect for this downstairs because it coordinates with everything else over here.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Just in case you're wondering, my Christmas tree is from the Goodwill, and the blue ornaments are from Goodwill as well, except for the gray and the picks. Those are from the dollar store and Walmart. We definitely cannot forget the Christmas tree topper, and I have an angel, and also the Christmas tree skirt. So I have that here from Goodwill last year, which I using it this year. I think repurposing is the way to go. So this year was very fun for me. I decided to make these full Christmas gifts under the tree, and I think it looks so pretty. What do you guys think?
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da.
So if you haven't seen my first Decorate Me video, guys, I would love for you guys to go ahead and look at it, because this is where you're going to see how I decorate it here, and I think it looks so cozy and it gives you more details there. We're going to go upstairs and decorate there now.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.
So guys, this is my upstairs dining room, formal dining room, also my upstairs formal living room, and I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaning here and decorate it, and also adding the Christmas tree here. It looked so beautiful, guys.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is.
And guys, if you have any questions where my furnitures are from or every items here, I'm gonna do an in-depth video on my Christmas house tour, showing you guys where I purchased each thing. So definitely stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. So I did not like the fur by itself, so I decided to add my old runner here and added the fur on top of it, and I preferred it that way much better. What do you guys think? As I mentioned in my previous video, my upstairs color scheme is going to be white, gold, and red, because I really like the, normal Christmas colors, the red and the green. I think it makes it so formal and so cozy. So that's what I'm doing here, just adding just formal colors here on my upstairs living room.
Good time dancing, dancing all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Hey, hey,
So this is my old Christmas tree that I brought upstairs here, and I bought the new one from Goodwill downstairs. And I like this tree because it's fuller than the one downstairs, and it's bigger, and there's way much space here than there is downstairs. So I think it looked really nice, guys.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So guys, I had some remaining ornaments that I wanted to add here in this lantern, and I really like this lantern. I got it at Goodwill, but it's a Target brand, and I really like it. I like the fact that they're tall and sturdy, and I love the silver colors. It's beautiful. So if you're new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. My name is Gladys, and I would truly appreciate it. And we shall see you in the next video. Bye guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. See ya.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch